Hey everyone, welcome back to Nini Mandarin. Today, we're diving into some of the most popular slang words and buzzwords in China right now. These words capture a lot about modern life, especially among young people. And guess what? Learning them will not only boost your Chinese, but also give you a peek into Chinese culture. Let's get started. First up, we have 内卷.
内卷. The best way to describe it in English is rat race. Originally, it refers to evolution, but now it used to describe excessive, meaningless competition. Think of a situation where everyone works so hard and no one seems to benefit. For example, 职场内卷太严重了。职场内卷太严重了。The rat race at work is too intense and is not worth it. This applies to school, work, and life in general, where people feel trapped in a cycle of overwork with no real outcome.
Next, we have 躺平.
躺平, which literally means lying flat. In English, you can think of it as quiet quitting. It describes the idea of giving up on intense competition when things get too stressful, like with 内卷. People just say, forget it, I'm going to 躺平. For example, 我决定躺平了，不再努力了。我决定躺平了，不再努力了。I've decided to lie flat and stop trying so hard. It's a way of saying, I'm done with all the pressure. I'm opting out. People use these words when they choose to step back and stop pushing so hard in life or work.
Next up is 破防.
破防 means breaking the defense, but a better English term would be emotional damage. It describes a moment when something really hits your heart and your emotional defenses just break down. For example, 听到那首歌，我瞬间破防了。听到那首歌，我瞬间破防了。When I heard that song, it hit me hard. People use it when something unexpected makes them cry or feel overwhelmed. It often used when talking about touching or emotional experiences, like watching a sad movie or hearing a moving song.
Now let's talk about 多巴胺.
多巴胺, which means dopamine. In slang, it refers to things that brings you happiness or pleasure. For example, we often talk about 多巴胺穿搭, which means wearing bright, happy clothing that boosts your mood. Basically, dopamine dressing. For example, 今天的多巴胺穿搭让人心情很好。今天的多巴胺穿搭让人心情很好。Today's dopamine outfit really boosts your mood. People use 多巴胺 to describe small pleasures, like a good meal, a fun outfit, or anything that gives you a feel-good boost.
Finally, let's look at i人 and 艺人.
i人e人. This term comes from the Myers-Briggs personality types for introverts and extroverts. So, i人 means an introvert, and 艺人 is an extrovert. For example, 我是 i 人，不太喜欢社交。I'm an introvert. I don't really like socializing. 他是个 e 人，非常外向。She's an extrovert, very outgoing. This is a fun and easy way to describe someone's social style. Next time you are talking about personality, try using i 人 or 艺人.
Okay, let's quickly review the 5 buzzwords we learned today. 1. 内卷. 内卷. 2. 躺平. 躺平. 3. 破防. 破防. 4. 多巴胺. 多巴胺. 5. i 人 艺人 i 人 艺人. These words are super popular in Chinese conversations right now, and now you know how to use them. That's it for today's lesson. I hope these 5 words give you some new insights into Chinese slang and culture. If you enjoyed this video, just make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends who are learning Chinese. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.